So here is a circumvillate papillae. Okay, the circumvillate papillae are these right here. This V-like configuration. And so the taste buds are in here. Okay, deep into the papillae, these creps. So this is like a cross section of a circular object. The circumvillate papillae, the circles. Okay, taste buds are down here in the creps. Okay, so this is non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelia on the surface of your tongue, and you have some glands in here. Okay, von Ebner glands. Okay, that secrete. Here's a duct secreting into the crept. Here's another duct secreting into the crept, and these are glands within your tongue. Okay, so this is serous, and there's some mucus glands in here too. So here is a folate papillae, and the taste pores. So if you do a high magnification, you can see maybe a taste pore at the edge. And you see three cell types that were mentioned earlier are in here. And here's some ducts leading into the creps, washing away the solution that was exposed as a result, that was contained stuff that you put in your mouth. So you have this washing away effect continually, so that every time you put something in your mouth, from one moment to the next, you can taste something different. Okay, because these are always being washed away. So here is some fungiform papillae, here's some phyloform papillae, and here's your taste pore. Okay, so here's the folate papillae, look a little different than fungiform. They call them fungiform because I guess somebody's imagination thought they looked like mushrooms. And the phyloform papillae, there's no association with taste buds. So just in the three types as mentioned earlier. So has anybody ever been licked by a cat? They have real rough tongues, right? Those are, there's little hooks in the phyloform papillae of cats. So I guess now would be a good time to see if I can just image of this. And I don't know why I just didn't cut and paste them in. Special senses. Yeah. Okay, so we'll come back to this. This is the eye stuff. Yeah. So these are the same images that you saw a moment ago. So here is the nasal mucosa, okay, and here's the epithelia. For the green arrows, the pseudostratified columnar epithelial arrows. The red arrows are supposed to be what? Red arrows demonstrate goblet cells. Gray arrows demonstrate basal cells. Blue arrows are pointing to the bipolar receptors. Okay. So I don't expect you to recognize them individually in the histological prep. But anyway, so here's the taste buds. This is a montage. Two images stuck together. Here's skeletal muscle. Okay. Here is fungiform papillae with taste buds. Okay. Here's a duct. Here's the salivary glands. Okay. And more of the same thing. You saw this image on the previous page, didn't you? Yeah. Here's a duct going in there. So let's make this a little larger. Okay, a duct going in. Here's some mucus glands and some serous glands. Here is a serous demiurge. Here's skeletal muscle. Okay. Okay, and these are fungiform papillae. Nice high magnification. They taste 4. Okay, so yeah. Okay. So this is a human tongue. This is a ungulate's tongue. Okay. See the keratinization of the phyloform papillae. That's why they call them phyloform, because they feel kind of filey, like a file. In a cat, a goat, a cow, a horse, they all have not real characteristic phyloform papillae. Humans don't. They don't get keratinized.